Welcome to today's market report. European stock markets traded mixed on Monday, with investors keeping a wary eye on COVID-19 developments while earnings season kicks into top gear. DAX in Germany traded 0.1% higher, CAC 40 in France fell 0.1%, FTSE dropped 0.1% too. Equity markets have posted healthy gains over the last few weeks on bets COVID-19 vaccines will start to reduce infection rates worldwide and on a stronger US economic recovery under President Joe Biden. However, the vaccine rollouts have been uneven, with relatively rapid progress in the UK but a much slower rollout in France. AstraZeneca warned of further delays to deliveries of its vaccine in Europe on Friday due to a production bottleneck at one of its manufacturing partners. Over the weekend, Italy threatened legal action against both AstraZeneca and Pfizer over delivery delays. Additionally, the French newspaper reported on Sunday that France, which is already operating a national 12-hour curfew, could impose a third lockdown. Dutch health technology company Philips stock gained 2.8% after it reported a 7% increase in fourth quarter core profit, while Siemens Energy stock rose 2.5% after it swung to a core profit in its fiscal first quarter. In the battered UK retail sector, ASOS stock rose 3.5% after it said it was in inclusive talks to buy the Topshop, Topman and Miss Selfridge brands out of administration, while Boohoo.com stock rose 3.8% after confirming that it is buying the Debenhams brand. Elsewhere, there were all-time highs for German online fashion chain Zalando and automaker Volvo. In the US, investors remain hopeful that the $1.9 trillion stimulus package proposed by President Biden will be passed by Congress soon, despite opposition from some Republican lawmakers. Corporate earnings season gets into full swing this week, with Microsoft reporting after the close Tuesday, followed by Apple, Facebook and Tesla a day later. The Federal Reserve meets for its first policy meeting of 2021 on Tuesday, with the policy decision to be handed down on Wednesday, while the World Economic Forum starts in a digital format later on Monday, with European Central Bank Chief Economist Philip Lang among those scheduled to speak. On the economic data front, Germany's IFO Institute releases its business climate survey results for January later Monday. Oil prices edged higher on Monday, rebounding from Friday's losses on the back of a surprise rise in the US inventories by 4.4 million barrels in the week to 15th of January. US crude futures traded 0.7% higher at $52.65 per barrel. Brent was up 0.6% to $55.56 per barrel. Gold futures fell 0.2% to $1,852.40 per ounce. On the FX front, following the recent price action, GBP/USD could now attempt some consolidation, according to Commerzbank. The pair did not sustain the break of 137.12 last week and has eased back. It is possible that this was a false breakout for now, and we regard it merely as premature, although we also note that the RSI did not confirm the break higher and suspect that the market will consolidate. The recent close above 137.12 on the daily chart closing basis pushes the 138.36 February 2016 low to the fore. Longer term, the 2018 peak at 143.77 is being targeted. Currently, while dips hold over 135.20, the market is remained bid. Below 135.20 would alleviate immediate upside pressure for losses to the 133.50 late December low. There is scope for the 132.51 7-month uptrend. Currently, the Elliott wave count is implying a slide to 134 to 135.30. The The new UK variant was not only highly infectious but perhaps more deadly, held the GBP bulls from placing fresh bets and capped the upside for the GBP-USD pair. Apart from this, concerns about the potential economic fallout from the ever-increasing coronavirus cases benefited the US dollar's relative safe haven status against its British counterpart. Additionally, traders might take cues from a scheduled speech by the Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey. The key focus, however, will be on the latest FOMC monetary policy decision on Wednesday. Euro-dollar looked sidelines and bounced off the 55-day MA at 120.86, whilst the dollar index was at 90.085, having fallen 0.7% in the last week. Dollar yen was at 103.71. This is today's market news. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.